Hello everyone, this is XM Physics. In this video, I will introduce Coulomb's law, which is the mother of all formula for this topic. Let's go! The gravitational force between 2 point masses separated by distance d is given by the formula Gmm over d squared. This is Newton's law of gravitation, which you have already learned. The electrical force between 2 point charges separated by distance d is given by the formula kqq over d squared. This is known as Coulomb's law. Don't they look very similar? Yeah, looks like Mr. Coulomb copied Mr. Newton's homework. Jokes aside, we should be counting our blessings because Coulomb's law is going to look and feel very familiar. For example, in the numerator, we recognize Newton's third law. It doesn't matter which charge is larger than which. The two charges are always going to pull or push each other equally hard. In the denominator, we see again the inverse square law. So the force and distance change in opposite direction. If we increase the separation between the charges, the force decreases and it approaches zero at infinite separation. On the other hand, if we decrease the separation, the force increases. In fact, the force becomes infinitely large at zero separation. Comparing the constants of proportionality, the Coulomb's constant K is definitely much larger than the gravitational constant G. And this is one reason why electrical forces are much stronger forces compared to gravitational forces. But the major difference between electricity and gravitation is this. There is only one type of mass, and gravitational forces are always attractive. On the other hand, there are two types of charges, and electrical forces can be either repulsive or attractive. And this has made all the difference. Alright, this is XM Physics. I like to keep my explanations short and sweet. If you like my style, please like, share and subscribe. Ta-ta!